In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily set up a crypto savings plan on Binance to dollar cost average. If you want to get the best sign up bonus possible, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you will get a 20% discount on all trading fees. To create your account, simply click right here and enter your email address or phone number, or what you can also do is use your Google account or Apple account. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this. And to create a savings plan right now, you simply go up here and click on buy crypto. Then we go up here to recurring buy, select your fiat currency right here. You can choose between all of these different fiat currencies. For now, I'm going to choose euro and select the currency that you want to dollar cost average into. In my case, I'm just going to leave it at Bitcoin. Then type in the amount right here. I'm going to choose 100 euro. And here you can set how often it repeats. So you can choose between daily, weekly, every 2 weeks or monthly. I'm going to set it at weekly, Mondays, always at, let's go for 10 o'clock. Once you've set that up, go down here and click on continue. And now you've got to enter your Visa card right here. Simply click on here and then add your card right here. You can enter a credit or debit card. Once you've added it right here, click on confirm. And all you got to do is click on continue right here. And you're done with setting up your savings plan. Don't forget to pick up your 20% discount on all trading fees forever by using the link down from the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.